23 minutes. Cockstar? Oh.
You need to leave!
A fucking nerve, yeah.
Cox? I thought rocks because I thought. I'm sorry. I don't mean to disrespect whoever's brand this is. That's not what I was trying to do. That's not. I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it. Not a game. Oh, hold on. Hey, yo. Hey, you made this beat? Yeah. I thought it was Cockstar, but this is not, y'all. I'm about to take the top off. When it comes to winning, bitches, I'm a rock star. My rocks off, I'm just trying to get my rocks off. When I come in the crib, I take my rocks off. It's like I put them back on. I'm doctor. I'm a doctor. This is kind of cool, I ain't gonna lie. And you a pig, you a clown, got a mask on. I'm the dude that about to go and get my task on. I'm about to go and get my tax on. Ew. This is kind of cool. No, I don't know critical videos. Is this this is cool. Like the little duality. Coming April 2021. I fuck my fast. But now, introducing. Oh shit! I kind of want to play that beat back. Yeah, they're pointing the beat back. I'm about to pun the replay on my meat pack. I'm about to ski to that. What the ski to that? Where the ski at? I'll tell them where the meat at. Where the beat at? Put the beat on. I'm about to go and get my skeet on. Get my freak on. Freak off. I don't understand. I get the beat off. Turn some seat off. It's a beat off. Sorry. I was... Actual footage from the police. I feel like you mad loud in my ear right now. This is a beautiful place. Where is this? This is gorgeous. Oh shit. Alright, bro, come on, you mad loud. Bro. Chill out. Oh shit. Whoa. I mean, I saw sirens in the distance, but not sirens. I saw lights in the distance, but what are they driving? Oh, that shit is gone. No, it's not. I always wanted to be in a police chase, but I never will. It's just like a movie fantasy. How did they get this footage? What is that? Is that a 140? No. What is that? A Bugatti? Western Sweden? This is beautiful. Is it nice over there? Like, is it like it's peaceful? I ain't gonna lie, bro. You are loud. Why y'all yelling? What can bike cops do other than just keep up? This is crazy. What's that right? Oh, never mind. That's a goddamn store. Damn, he got 3 cars on him right now? Damn, why y'all roundabout so oblong? Why is it an oval? I could never drift. I mean, I could probably still drift it, but this shit kind of look like Los Santos a little bit, like with the railroad in the middle. You know what I'm talking about? By the barbershop in the hood. It's a Buick Insignia. Oh, so the okay. Damn. See, if this was Beeman G, he would have just pulled out in front of it. Like that. Oh, where you going? Oh, shit. Oh. What did he do? Why is you running? Oh, that's a good roundabout right there. Damn, this is terrifying. To be chased by a helicopter, because it just, I know in the car he's like, yo, it's over. Yo, bro, it's over. Oh my god. His car is quite shaky now after colliding with our colleagues. Oh yeah, he drifted a little bit. Damn, his shit look like after you get hit in BMG. I'm sorry, I'm not gonna keep referencing BMG. Oh my god. He get on the highway? You need to hit up Julio real quick. You can't survive. Oh, he's gone. What is this, a Buick AMG? How do you shake a helicopter? Thing is, you don't even know you're being chased by a helicopter because the camera zooms in from so far away. For your information, the driver may have thrown out a gun. Oh, these niggas is YNs. No, they YSs, young Swedes. Yo. Oh yeah, he look. Oh no, never mind. Damn, the helicopter is like. Damn. Because he needs fuel, but you need fuel too. How long is the fuel tank of a thing? Oh, he's like jiggling. He's shaking, twerking his ass. Vegagatan. They use a lot of fuel fast. Damn, so they don't got like backup helicopters to pull up to the same spot and then you go, you know what I'm saying? Or like, you know how planes fuel each other? Like they'll bring another plane and fuel, you know? It's probably not that serious, right? Move! You walking across the street all chill and shit? See, I would have got my 10 points right there, I ain't gonna lie. Because you in the way. He's just casually just running on the wrong side of the road. Get the hell out of the way! You don't see me running from my life? I don't want to go see the Booty Warrior. I can't go back to jail. Can't you push him? Bitch, is this Siege? What you mean push him? It's Call of Duty. Oh shit, he did push. He's pushing. He's pushing. Oh. Oh, he saw him coming. He put the pedal to the metal. Oh, this is crazy. This is kind of crazy. I can't tell if the driver knows how to drive yet. He's just kind of... The cops aren't aggressive right now. Yo, he's getting close. Yo, you gotta cut him off. You gotta cut him off because you obviously don't have the speed. I thought you had an AMG Buick. You got a scat. Just kidding. He's getting really fucking close. Too close for comfort, bro. He got your plate. But at this point, I'm pretty sure you don't care about the plate. You on the run, literally. This is crazy. Oh my God, hold on, bitch. I'm trying to perform at that stadium. Hold on, baby. You know what I'm saying? There, I'm trying to perform at this location, and all I needed to get to the stadium is a defender. Sorry, I'm sorry. I lost track of the video. There it is. Sorry. Sorry. There are trams everywhere. That's a big ass bus. What's that, an 80 passenger? Did he just tap his ass? Yo. Bro, this shit is giving GTA 1. GTA 2, top down, giving. Oh, he is getting close. This cop car is scared. I would have bended him dirty. In public. Pause. What? Damn, what happened to that building? We will not take him on the bridge with the risk that he will go over. We're trying to take him after the bridge. Nah, take him off the bridge. He's causing danger to the society. What time in the morning is this? Or night? Go, 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 go. What kind of car is the cop car? Never gets dark in Sweden during summer. Oh, wow. Damn, that's like, damn. That's different. See, I knew my theory was right. Somewhere in the world doesn't have the moon or the sun. Yeah. I like this language, bro. It's a V90cc. Okay, I don't know what that is. Actually, do I? Is it? It's like a yeah. It's, okay, I know what it is. I know what it is. Damn, he's like wiggling, bro. He got a little limp. He's wounded. Oh, I would have made that. Nah, I wouldn't have. Oh, drifted. Ultra style points. Where'd the bike go? Don't tell me the bike nigga. Okay, there he is. I thought he fell off. Oh! This is crazy. Oh shit! Damn! Sparks! I'm sorry. Oh, he's gone. Wait, how did he create so much space just now? What did I miss? He's up, bro. Tingstadsvägen again. Spike strip? Oh my god. Shout out to Ghost G8X for a prime sub. You got a G80? You got a G80? What's up, gang? What's up, family? Appreciate you for the prime for the prime sub. Should I pack up the spike strip and head after him? Over. I'm chilling, man. Woman walking in the roadway trying to stop traffic at Selma. Bitch, who do you think you are? Fuck you trying to stop traffic for? Damn! You see that shit, Shane? Shout out to Chase. Look at it, bro. God damn, his rear lifted up. I want to see the cop. He probably was like, you know? What the fuck was that? Was that a TV guide? What the? These are the command. They got commands: freeze frame, FOV extender, geofocus, geopoint, hedo, haze penetration. What? Haze penetration. Image aid, infinity. This nigga's got infinity focus. You are never escaping a helicopter. Radar slaving. The fuck that mean? The fuck you mean? Just kidding. Just joking. Hold up. They all sound like they're eating. Like the mic quality just makes them sound like they're eating. Speaking of eating. He's a pretender. Yo, this place is huge. That's the ghetto? That's the projects right there? I think it's time to go off-road. But that left. Alright. Oh, don't listen to me. It's fine. See, this is why it pays to have a fast car, bro. Oh, shit. He kind of entering hot. Yo, chat, is he driving good? He or she? I don't want to gender assume. Ooh, shit. Oh, my God. That just gave me PTSD. Y'all ever play Vice City and then you get like 3 stars or 4 stars and they start bringing out these fast-ass, big-ass SUVs with niggas hanging off of them with guns and shit and they run every intersection and ram into you? PTSD. Oh, they got the whole city. Move. Oh, he get it. He got it. He's not panicking, you know.
Han fortsätter importgatan mot GP-huset, så importgatan mot GP-huset.
Yeah, I keep pump faking this spike strip. I ain't see a spike strip yet. Where the spike strip at? Go left, go left, go left. Go around on the... Oh. See, you should... Damn, what's that, an undercover? That better not be a Karen. I don't see no lights. That's a Karen. Is it over? What the fuck? No way. Damn, yo, he... Nah, no way. Oh, he about to do the G. He's doing the Need for Speed. He about to drop the gas station. Oh, nah, it's just a video game. Never mind. He got his turning signal on. I'm not afraid of you undercover. There's nothing for me to hide from. Yo. There's no way he gets out of this, bro. Oh my God. I'm like fully engaged right now, bro. Cindy, the TV's leaking. It's kind of crazy because this is popcorn. I got my popcorn. Popcorn. Damn. He hit the Julio tune? He gone now. Bro, what is the motorcycle going to do? Oh my God, that car to the right is boot. What the fuck is that? Special reinforcements? No shit. Bro, how do you get out of this? It's impossible. Your car is too slow. Just pit maneuver him right now. He has a flat tire. He's swaying a lot. Yeah, word. What he said. Uh-huh. Oh my God. Yeah, his tire is fucked. He got them Queen Latifah run flats. What the f... Oh my God. These niggas got night vision? They got heat vision? What is this? X-ray vision? What is this? Heat? Tunnel vision? What is this? Holy shit. Okay, it's past my bedtime. I wasn't even supposed to stream for this long.
Ja, bra. Håll han där. E6 norrut fortfarande snart under Angeredsbron.
Bro, spin his ass out.
Ja, 5-0. Kan vi få någon bil från Stenungsund? Som
See me, I'm hitting a burnout 3 takedown. I'm hitting all the cops off the highway and dipping.
Ja, 5-0. 56-20.
That's a joke. It's a joke.
Nej, tyvärr. Civil enhet. Vi jobbar på Stenungsundbilen.
How fast are they going?
Jag går förbi en av de sinnarna.
I ain't gonna lie, that has to be terrifying. You're just neck and neck with a cop. They just eyeing each other, just flipping each other off.
Har du spikmatta?
Is it over? It's just gonna be over, right? There's no way he gets out of this. Ah. Oh shit. He got his second win. How do you mess that up? He just hit the oh, they're stopping him from taking the exit. But he's ahead now. I'm so confused. I mean, I'm not confused, but I'm confused. Maybe they're thinking long game, right? Keep him away from the exit so he can hit the spike strip. Is that what you're saying? This is crazy. He's a pretender. I don't know how the fuck he gonna get past out of this cop chase because goddamn he got a flat tire under his fender. Another cop. Yo, what did he do, bro? Is hazard lights on during a chase to technically get a lower sentence? I think the hazards are going off because the car got hit. This dude did okay. He did a decent job. He just needed a faster car.
Ja, vi har flera kungasbilar på ärendet. Inget svar då.
Get the fuck, move out the way. Oh, you could hear him in the car. You heard the car? I feel like this is the first time I tuned into that. Meet me at the mall. It's going down. Literally. Something about to happen. No traffic on the curve. Push his ass. Make him drift. Tokyo! Fast dumb, get it. Are they gonna get him? Oh, you couldn't do it? You couldn't? He's still kind of driving on flat tires. He's handling this bitch. Bust that left. Bust the cat of that orange. Bust the cat of that orange. He was just trying to go to Macy's to get some Christmas gifts. Like, leave him alone. He knows it's coming. Where is he going? Yo, you should make a U-turn. Naeem! He's driving in the parking garage? Wait, what's about to happen, bro? He stopped. Where's he going? GTA 2! Yo, nah, I ain't gonna lie. That cop is a crash out. I don't think y'all saw it because my face was in the way, but look at this cop and the way he ran in. Gun swinging, bro. Hold on. You gotta see this cop, bro. Look at the cop, bro. Look at the cop, bro. Yeah. This is what he did. This is what he did. Wait, because he said, with his gun out like this, just like, what the fuck are you doing? You need to relax. He sounded much calmer in the car. That nigga is on go. What the hell? Hold on, bruh. My fault. Damn. I told you he was just trying to get some Christmas gifts. It's over. You got out the car. It's over. It's over. What's about to happen? Is it over? I don't even want to see how much time is left. I got to fart. Is that a girl cop right there? I farted. That's a big ass. No, it's not a big mall. I mean, it's sizable. You know, it's probably like 4 stores. 4 horse. I'm just kidding. Bitch, can you sit through this building? Why you put this shit on? He just left the loading entrance. It's over. He's gone. Wait, did he get away? Is he? What if he has a... He's arrested. Oh, he got arrested. Good run. Good run. Good run. That was a good run. 50 perceived, 1 person arrested. What if they got the wrong guy? Was it just 1 person? They got him. They put this shit on. Damn. What the fuck was... Did you hear that? What the fuck was that? Is that a victory screech? Damn. Wasted. Damn, this is a fire ass. I like this. This is cool. This is a good channel. I like it. But, chat, I think it's time for me to go, bro. We still got much more to do, much more to see. I know I didn't play anything today. Mind your business. We're going to play one of these days. I don't know.